Hey guys, Dragon here. Today we are going to be doing the Beehive Trail in Acadia National Park. Trailhead's right next to Sand Beach, right along the loop. The funny thing is, with having the GoPro going, I have to remember to stop and take pictures once in a while. Because sometimes stealing a picture from the video doesn't exactly go that great. That's all right. I'd rather not aggravate your ankle too early on, you know. Besides, we have all day. Wasn't maybe one of the days is supposed to be a little more sad? So you've done this trail before?
Yes. Sure.
Yeah, this is our first time in this park, so.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I usually come in August and it's always closed.
That's alright. That's it? Good. Yeah. Well, I feel a lot better knowing that the doctor gave me the all clear, you know? Oh, hold on, hold on. Okay. Yeah, there's a lot of times we forget them, but we're trying to get better at that, especially for stuff like this. So I definitely like using the vest over a backpack. It's definitely really growing on me. Nice thing about this is using the GoPro this way. My spot, everything's out of the way, like nothing's dangling in front of it. Like I have with my red backpack. Our straps and crap getting in. Oh yeah, that would be horrible. Trying to climb down all this. Well, they say the down part of this loop isn't bad. That's okay, do what you gotta do. There's all ladders in this section, so the rest of the getting up here is not too bad. Yeah, how about it? Even just a handhold would have been nice there. Definitely hit a hard spot. Can still hear the waves. You know what's really nice? Well, except for that motorcycle, I don't hear vehicles. So, your left leg's your good one, right?
Yep.
You know what's crazy? Kurt did this with his fear of heights. Well, he said he's not as bad as he used to be with it. So nice, I'm glad we got to do this. This is gonna be a hard spot. Kinda seems like it. So on top of this rock on the right, there is a rail. I figure the nice thing is if I go first, I can give you a hand if you need it. Just in case. Yeah. Yep.
At least here.
Well, you figure. I expect most of the footage to be crap, with some of it salvageable, you know? I think it's like right over there. Now on this there's an easy trail, an easier trail that takes you back down. So it's like a one-way only kind of deal. Oh yeah, I can imagine going down this. That'd be insane. Gonna make that trail snack all that much better. Oh yeah, we're almost there. Yeah, I could see that happening. Yeah, I turn around, stop, and I look as you climb. It is funny, like, how clear the beach was not too long ago. I'm actually surprised that this hike is going as quick as it is. Like this portion of it. You know how fast we climb.